GC for the benefit of the tape, so to speak. This is the daily chart, and I think the low we saw last week was the bottom of the 3. We've now probably got this 4 in. It can be the A of a 4, and we get a B, C up to 1 fib higher at 12.28, but it counts best as the 4 in, right into the zone. I'm looking for the 5 now to drop down and hit our fib in this target zone here. Now, if I come down to the 4-hour chart, there you can see the micro count and the subwaves for this 3. We hit the 1764 here. This 4 has hit the 123.6. So the standard textbook is to expect the 1618 for the 3 and then the 1.0 for the 4. We drop down 1 fib extension lower for the 3. We bring down our expectations for the 4 1 fib level, and that's exactly what we've seen. So I'm now looking for this 5 down to 1149. 1149 is the 2.0 of the subwave, the 2.0 of the whole thing, the 2618 of the subwave, and the 886 back on the 1. So I've got 3 fibs, all taken from 2 different reference points each, that all have confluence exactly at that 1149 level. The only question in my mind is that the 5 or is that just an extended 3? And we won't know that until we get into the next move up. Either which way, that is the level I'm looking at to go long in GC. I'm interested to see what silver does while GC comes down and does this, because if silver follows suit and gives us a 5th wave, I think we're going to take out the 2016 low in silver. So just keeping an eye on that as well. And in the meantime, you know what we're doing trading wise with this. Still 50% short from last night, with 9 points on the other half safely in the bank. Those of you that didn't take that trade, I'm hoping you've just taken the entry here. If you have, you can bring your stops down to that spike high now and just let it play out to completion today with a target of 1188 or lower.